Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Start by saving your work and closing any sensitive apps before changing network settings. Click the network icon on the taskbar and open Quick Network Controls. Select the VPN connection listed, then click Disconnect to stop the session cleanly. If you installed a third-party VPN app, open that app and use its disconnect or power toggle. Confirm disconnection if prompted, and then close the app window. For persistent VPNs, open Settings to remove the VPN profile from the system entirely. On Mac OS, start by saving work and closing sensitive apps before disconnecting. Use Command Space to open Spotlight and type System Settings, then press Enter. In System Settings, choose Network and find the VPN configuration listed under Locations or Interfaces. Select the active VPN and click Disconnect to terminate the session immediately. If you used a third-party VPN app, open the app and toggle its connection off or quit the app. Remove the VPN profile or disable AutoConnect to prevent future automatic connections. On Linux, save your work and close apps before stopping VPN services. Use nmcli device disconnect or sudo systemctl stop openfin at client to stop the service. If openfin persists, run sudo killall openfin to terminate processes safely. After disconnecting, check your public IP address in a browser to confirm the VPN is no longer masking your location. If a router-level VPN is active, access the router admin page and disable the VPN profile there. Finally, uninstall unwanted VPN apps if they repeatedly reconnect automatically.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.